What if I told you that just 5 simple exercises could completely change how your body looks and feels? Picture yourself moving freely without stiffness, feeling stronger, and tackling daily tasks with ease. You don't need fancy equipment or a gym, just these effective movements that target key areas of your body to build strength, enhance flexibility, and improve posture. Let's break down each exercise, why it matters, and how to do it right. Ready to get started? Hit the like button if you're excited to make a change. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on life-changing workouts. Commit to your transformation today, one exercise at a time. Now let's get started. Number 1. Glute bridge. The glute bridge is an excellent exercise for building glute strength, improving core stability, and releasing tension in tight hip flexors. Strengthening your glutes, one of the body's most powerful muscle groups, helps stabilize your pelvis and supports your lower back. This translates to making everyday activities like walking, climbing stairs, and lifting objects much easier and pain-free. How to do it? Lie flat on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground, hip width apart. Press through your heels as you lift your hips off the ground. Squeeze your glutes at the top while keeping your core tight. Hold this position for 2 to 3 seconds, then slowly lower yourself back down. If the basic version feels too easy, try lifting one leg off the ground or placing a weight across your hips for added resistance. Number 2. Dead hang. You may have seen people at the gym simply hanging from a bar without any movement and wondered, what's the point of this? Surprisingly, the dead hang is one of the most effective exercises for improving shoulder health, decompressing the spine, and strengthening your grip. If you spend a lot of time sitting, this exercise can counteract the negative effects of poor posture and spinal compression, helping you feel taller, more aligned, and free from tension. It's a simple yet powerful movement that anyone can easily incorporate into their routine. And the best part? You don't need a fancy gym setup, just a sturdy pull-up bar or even a doorway bar at home. How to do it? Find a pull-up bar or any sturdy overhead structure. Grip the bar with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Let your body hang naturally, keeping your shoulders relaxed and your core engaged. Avoid shrugging your shoulders or letting your body sway. Start by holding the position for 20 to 30 seconds, then gradually build up to 1 or 2 minutes. If you don't have access to a gym, a simple doorway pull-up bar works perfectly at home. Number 3, thread the needle thread. The needle is a highly effective rotational movement that targets your thoracic spine, shoulders, and upper back. It's simple yet powerful, helping to improve flexibility, release built-up tension, and increase rotational mobility. Benefits: reduces stiffness caused by poor posture or repetitive motions, opens up the thoracic spine, enhancing the fluidity of movement, alleviates upper back and shoulder tension, leaving you feeling more relaxed and mobile. How to do it? Begin on all fours, positioning your hands directly under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Reach one arm underneath your body, threading it through the space between your opposite arm and leg. Allow your torso to rotate as you follow your hand with your eyes. Extend your arm as far as possible while keeping your hips stable and facing forward. Hold for a moment to feel the stretch, then return to the starting position. For the next part, rotate upward, reaching your hand toward the sky, still following it with your eyes. To add more intensity, hold a light resistance band or weight in your moving hand to activate additional muscles and deepen the stretch. Number 4, resting squat. The resting squat is a foundational movement that humans are naturally designed to perform, but modern lifestyles full of prolonged sitting and limited lower body activity make this position challenging for many. Adding the resting squat into your routine can improve leg strength, core stability, and joint mobility, which are all essential for a healthy, functional body. Benefits: strengthens the legs and core, providing a solid foundation for everyday movements. Improves the mobility of the ankles, hips, and knees, which helps maintain joint health. Makes everyday tasks like bending down, gardening, or sitting on the floor much easier and more comfortable. How to do it? Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your toes slightly turned out. Slowly lower your hips into a deep squat position, making sure your knees are aligned with your toes. Keep your heels flat on the ground, chest upright, and back in a neutral position. Avoid rounding your spine. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds, gradually increasing to 1 or 2 minutes as your mobility improves. If maintaining balance is tricky, hold on to a sturdy object like a countertop or chair for support. This will allow you to focus on the squat itself without worrying about balance. Number 5, farmer carry. At first glance, the farmer carry may seem like just walking with weights, but it's so much more than that. This powerful exercise provides a full body workout, strengthening the shoulder girdle, stabilizing the core, and enhancing your balance and coordination. It mimics real-life activities like carrying heavy bags of groceries or luggage, making it an incredibly functional movement for improving your day-to-day strength. Benefits: improves posture. By challenging your body to maintain stability under load, this exercise naturally helps to improve your posture. Reduces injury risk. Training your body to handle heavy loads safely helps build resilience, reducing the risk of injury both during exercise and in everyday activities. How to do it? Start by grabbing a pair of dumbbells, kettlebells, or any heavy objects you can hold securely. Stand tall with your shoulders back, chest lifted, and your core fully engaged to maintain stability. Walk forward slowly and deliberately, making sure to take steady, controlled steps. Keep the weights close to your body and maintain an upright posture throughout the movement. Aim to walk for 30 to 60 seconds per round, focusing on control rather than speed. Begin with manageable weights, and as your strength increases, gradually raise the load or extend the walking duration to continue challenging your body. Quick workout routine. Here's a simple and effective workout routine using the exercises we've discussed. Glute bridge, 2 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Dead hang, 3 sets of 30 seconds, working up to 1 or 2 minutes. Thread the needle, 2 sets of 10 repetitions per side. Resting squat, hold for 20 to 30 seconds for 2 to 3 rounds. Farmer carry, walk for 30 to 60 seconds for 3 rounds. Rest for about a minute between sets to allow your body to recover. This routine takes just around 20 minutes and targets strength, mobility, and flexibility. By doing it consistently 3 times a week, you'll start noticing noticeable improvements in how your body feels and moves. Ready to see the transformation? Share this routine with someone who could benefit from it and start incorporating these 5 simple exercises into your weekly routine. Incorporating these 5 simple but powerful exercises could completely change how your body looks and feels. No gym, no fancy equipment, just your dedication and consistency. If you're ready to continue this journey and see the results for yourself, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a workout. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your fitness goals. Stay strong, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video.